Vava cooking time!
Hey guys, today we're going to cook homemade luncheon meat. This meat is made from pork, flour, egg, garlic, red yeast, spice powder, and most of all natural homemade chicken powder. And this meat has no preservatives and no artificial flavoring. See, this homemade luncheon meat is sealed, so it's clean. Now we just cut open it. Then see that it's always nicely sealed. Now that we've done, open everything. Then we cut about just nice enough. It's a bit frozen. Then you cut maybe about 6 squares or maybe 5. Then the other half you can cut either thicker. If you like thinner, then you can just cut like this. See, the one on the left is the thicker ones, and the one on the right is the slightly thinner ones. Now you can pop it in any air fryer. Any type is fine. Just put how many you want. See? Now we just close it. And then you set about maybe 10 or 9 minutes. Then you wait. Then after like 5 or 4 minutes, you turn it off. Take the thinner ones out. Only the thinner ones because they cook pretty fast. And any one you put in there, if it's thinner, then you just take it. The thinner one should take about 6 minutes, and the thicker one should take about maybe 9 minutes. Then you wait for it to cook. After the thicker ones